I'm Patricia, your Rideshare angel. Okay, guys, this is part of my airport series, and I received a DM from one of my subscribers, and they had asked me to do Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. Now, like always, remember to subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. Every time you like it and subscribe to my channel, that helps more people see my channel. Greatly appreciate it. Okay, so thank you in advance. This is me showing you how to navigate in Dallas-Fort Worth Airport if you wanted to go pick up some passengers from the airport. So follow me. So what I have noticed about Dallas-Fort Worth Airport is that it has a long way before you can actually even get to the entrance. And like all airports, it never tells you where to actually sit to go into queue in order. So we're passing Dallas Fort Worth sign right there to your left. Now with that rideshare lot that I noticed is that it's more just advertised as the North cell phone lot. Nothing is advertised far as Lyft or Uber rideshare. This is where you would sit for queue, but this is one of the areas. So where it says trucks, bus, and RVs, that's where you would go into, and then you would just pretty much park here. Good thing right now in the airport is not too crowded. I can imagine if there was a lot of other Uber and Lyft drivers. But I did speak to some other drivers while I was out there, and they ensured to me that this was one of the lots. So now we're going to head out of this lot, and this is the first lot as soon as you're driving up into Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. So then now we're going to make this left here. You make the first right, then you make the left. And now we're going to make this left and take this left to what? A toll booth. Do you know they actually have a ticket booth for Dallas-Fort Worth? You have to pay to go pick someone up. Now, what I did here is that the fee for you waiting at the airport is actually going to be added onto the passengers tab. The only time that you would have to pay is if you decided to go to the airport and then not pick up anybody and had to leave. Of course, you would have to pay to exit out. So you would get the ticket and then you would pay when you get out. So now we got our ticket and we are following Terminal A. This is us just driving to get to the parking lot so we can get into queue. So then if someone is available to be picked up from the airport, then we'll be right there ready to pick them up. So what we want to do is stay heading towards Terminal A parking. And then, as you see, you're going to take the lower half. So you stay heading towards Terminal A, and this is where this airports get tricky. You stay heading towards Terminal A to a certain point, then you take the lower part that we just took, and then you go around a roundabout. And as you see, you're still kind of following Terminal A, but as you notice, you had to go a different way. I did go that other way before, and it didn't work out for me. And then you keep straight, and then you're following Terminal A. All the way up until you get to this point. And we're following Terminal A. We then make a right into the parking lot. This is Terminal A parking lot, and it's full of parking. And I just drove up to the front because I always like to inform y'all if there's any restrooms or so forth. And so follow me to the front. And as you see, they have 3 porta potties. I don't really care for porta potties, but if you're waiting and you have to go to the restroom, it is what it is. You will sit here till you get your ping on your phone letting you know that there's a passenger available for you to pick up. Then the phone app will direct you on how to get to your passenger to pick them up. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at my video. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Like always, like, comment, and share. And remember to subscribe and click the notification button so you'll know when my next video is being uploaded. Bye!